Join me as I challenge myself to adopt these morning habits for a week and discover if they help me wake up energized every day. Let's talk about morning habits. You know, those things we do every morning to get ourselves ready for the day ahead. Well, did you know that establishing the right morning habits can be a total game changer for your energy levels and productivity throughout the day? I think we can all agree that mornings can be tough. The struggle to leave the comfort of our beds is real, and it's a challenge many of us face daily. You hit the snooze button one too many times, hoping for just a few more minutes of rest. But those extra minutes often turn into a frantic rush. You're running late, and before you know it, you're stuck in a vicious cycle of low energy and motivation. You're not alone. This is a common scenario for many people. Many of us struggle to get out of bed, and it's easy to let our morning routines get hijacked by social media, email, or just hitting the snooze button over and over again. These distractions can make it even harder to start the day on a positive note. When we start our day like this, it's no wonder we often feel sluggish and unmotivated. The lack of a structured morning routine can set a negative tone for the rest of the day. But it's not just about getting out of bed. It's about how we approach our mornings and the mindset we bring to the start of our day. For many of us, mornings are a struggle because we're just not morning people. Our bodies and minds are not wired to be alert and focused first thing in the morning. We're not wired to be alert and focused first thing in the morning. This can make it difficult to get into a productive mindset right away. And on top of that, we might be dealing with stress, anxiety, or depression that makes it even harder to get motivated in the morning. These mental health challenges can significantly impact our ability to start the day positively. So, what can we do about it? Developing a consistent morning routine, setting realistic goals, and finding small ways to motivate ourselves can make a big difference. It's about creating habits that set us up for success, even if we're not naturally morning people. Let's explore some specific morning habits that can transform our energy levels and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. One of the most critical habits is hydration. Starting your day with a glass of water is essential. When we wake up, our bodies are dehydrated from a night of sleep, and drinking water can help increase our energy levels and wakefulness. It also kickstarts our metabolism and helps flush out toxins. Exercise is another powerful habit that can boost our energy and set us up for success. Engaging in physical activity in the morning can improve our mood and mental clarity. It doesn't have to be intense. Even just a short walk or some light stretching can make a big difference. Consistency is key, and over time, these small efforts can lead to significant improvements in our overall health and well-being. And let's not forget about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. A balanced breakfast provides the necessary nutrients to fuel our bodies and minds. Eating a nutritious breakfast can give us the energy we need to tackle our daily tasks. Including a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can keep us full and focused throughout the morning. When we start our day with these habits, we're setting ourselves up for success and energy that lasts all day. By prioritizing hydration, exercise, and a healthy breakfast, we can create a morning routine that supports our physical and mental well-being, leading to a more productive and fulfilling day. But there's one habit that can be a total game changer for morning energy, a short meditation or stretching routine. This habit can help increase our energy levels, reduce stress and anxiety, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Even just 5 minutes of meditation or stretching can make a huge difference in how we feel. And the best part is, it's easy to incorporate into our daily routine. We can do it right after we wake up, or even during our lunch break. The key is to make it a habit and stick to it. So, let's recap the key morning habits we've discussed today, starting with hydration. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism and rehydrates your body after a night's sleep. Next, we talked about the importance of exercise. Whether it's a full workout, a quick jog, or even some light stretching, getting your body moving in the morning can significantly boost your energy levels and improve your mood throughout the day. And of course, we can't forget about a nutritious breakfast. A balanced meal in the morning fuels your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Additionally, incorporating a short meditation or stretching routine can work wonders for your mental clarity and overall well-being. These practices help center your mind, reduce stress, and prepare you for the challenges ahead. By integrating these habits into your morning routine, you can create a foundation for a more productive and successful day. Remember, it's all about making small, consistent changes to our daily routine that can add up to make a big difference in how we feel and perform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite morning habits. Your feedback and experiences are invaluable to us. Thank you for joining me on this journey to optimize our well-being through smart nutrition and mindful lifestyle choices. If you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your own experiences with nutrition. So, drop a comment below. Let's keep building a healthier life together. Remember, every small step counts, and together we can achieve our wellness goals. See you in the next video.